10 tips and tricks for healthy pregnancy, especially for new mothers. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the tips and tricks a pregnant woman should follow to have a healthy baby. When you test positive for pregnancy, you're in cloud 9. You feel your married life has become all the more meaningful when your doctors confirm that a new life is growing within you. A baby of your own who will make you a proud mother. You'll soon be holding a tiny bundle of delight which will be your very own flesh and blood. And the baby will cement your relationship with your husband even more firmly. The twosome will soon become a threesome. After the initial glow of happiness for testing positive for pregnancy is over, you become concerned about having a healthy pregnancy. This is a craving almost all pregnant women have, to be healthy during all phases of your pregnancy. But you have a lot of doubts during a pregnancy period, don't you? You're constantly apprehensive whether you're doing the right things for a healthy pregnancy. This video is just that. It gives you tips and tricks about having a healthy pregnancy. The number one tip for a healthy pregnancy is a healthy mindset. Do not think about negative things when you're pregnant. When you're gloomy and pessimistic, your negative feelings will affect the baby in your womb. So, do not get tensed up about unwanted problems. Be cheerful and think about positive things. Have a happy mindset. When you're happy, it will definitely reflect in the overall health of your baby. The number two tip for a healthy pregnancy is a happy relationship with your husband. Enjoy excellent and friendly relationship with your husband. Nothing can make you more happy during your pregnancy phase than having good vibes with your husband. So spend quality time with your husband. Discuss about your baby with your husband. Talk excitedly about choosing the name for your baby. If at all you have any issues with your husband, discuss it with him in a reasonable manner. Do not fight with your husband and become moody and depressed. This is not a phase in your life to have arguments with your husband. Now is the time to enjoy excellent emotional intimacy with him. Have a picture of a cute baby in your room. Keep looking at it. Keep visualizing your baby. Visualize holding him in your arms. Dreaming about your baby makes you feel absolutely thrilled. The number 3 tip for a healthy pregnancy is eating healthy. Eat healthy food. You should eat food rich in calcium, iron, folic acid, vitamin A and vitamin C. Drink plenty of water. Drink lots of fresh juices. Do not ever become dehydrated during a pregnancy. Dairy products like cheese, milk and yogurt are good for the proper growth of your baby. Consume lots of broccoli and green leafy vegetables. Eat lots of fruits. Apples, guava, berries, sweet potatoes, avocados are all good for your baby. But avoid cakes and aerated drinks at any cost. Also avoid canned food. The number 4 tip for a healthy pregnancy is being active. Do not idle away your time thinking that your pregnancy gives you the leash to stay put in one place. When you're inactive, you might put on unwanted weight. Do not become obese as it might act as a hindrance towards you having a normal delivery. Your weight gain should be healthy. Go for long walks with your husband as it's the best form of exercise. Having such personal time with your husband during your pregnancy brings an incredible emotional bond with him. It goes a long way in making your delivery smooth and normal. Being active and agile is one of the topmost ways to have a healthy pregnancy. Of course, the first 3 months of your pregnancy will be a tiring experience for you. Frequent vomiting and nausea makes you feel drained and tired. Do not feel worried about it. It's very normal for almost all women. After your first trimester, your nausea slowly disappears. Your tiredness also lessens. After your first trimester, it's time for you to be your normal self. Do your own work and be sprightly. The number 5 tip for a healthy pregnancy is having regular checkups with your doctor. Have regular medical checkups with your doctor. You should clarify your doubts only with your doctor. Do not search in the internet for information regarding your pregnancy. Browsing the internet will never give you the right answer to your doubts about your baby. In fact, you'll be all the more confused and muddled up as there are plethora of information out there, and you would never know which one is right for you. Do all the tests and scans suggested by your doctor. Have all the vaccination that is needed for a healthy pregnancy. The number 6 tip for a healthy pregnancy is saying no to food supplements. Do not take dietary and herbal food supplements during a pregnancy. It is said that dietary supplements might contain contaminants like metals, pesticides, and chemicals which will do you more harm than good during a pregnancy phase. Do not consume nutritional shakes also. It might contain herbs and vitamins which can have adverse effect on your baby. It is always better to have natural food which will give your baby all the essential nutrients it needs for its proper growth. The number 7 tip for a healthy pregnancy is saying no to junk food. Junk food might taste good for you, but it's not good for your baby. Junk food is high in salt. Consuming too much salt during a pregnancy time ends up in water retention and you might experience swelling in your feet and hands. Eating too much sugar might lead to gestational diabetes, which could have an adverse effect in the growth of your baby. So, avoid junk food at any cost when you're pregnant. The number 8 tip for a healthy pregnancy is to understand your body. Your body will start putting on weight as months go by. You will feel discomfort in bending down and doing your normal work. Watch out for untimely vaginal bleeding. If you experience bleeding, rush to your doctor immediately. Visit your doctor instantly when you feel your baby's movements has decreased. Unexplained pain, having cramps, and feeling dizzy should be consulted with your doctor. Never take any self-medication during a pregnancy time. It might prove dangerous to your baby. The number 9 tip for a healthy pregnancy is doing exercise. When you do regular exercises during a pregnancy, you will have less of backache and you will not put on unwanted weight. The increase in your body weight should be a healthy indication about the proper growth of your baby. You should not put on oodles of weight due to your overeating and inactivity. Walking and swimming are good forms of exercise. Do not do strenuous exercises as it might harm your baby. Consult your doctor before doing any exercises. The number 10 healthy pregnancy tip is avoiding beauty treatments. Your beauty treatments can wait. Do not use chemicals to beautify yourself. Do not undergo any beauty procedures during your pregnancy phase. Instead, you can use fruits as packs for your face. When you eat healthy, your face will glow without any beauty treatment. Be ready to welcome your baby with a happy mindset. He is going to change your life. Your baby is going to give you the delight you never thought existed. Did this video throw light into the things you need to do for a healthy pregnancy? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever and to death do us part your relationship goal.